Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add music in Facebook profile. Let's get started. First open the Facebook app on your iPhone. Then click on the bottom right corner menu option. After this, swipe down a little and then click on Settings and Privacy. Then, click on Settings. After this, swipe down until you are in Audience and Visibility section. Then, click on Profile Details. After this, swipe down and then click on Add Music. Then, click on the top right plus button. Afterwards, search the music you want to add or select from the list. Click on the right side of the Music Resume button to preview your music. If you have already found your music, click on it. Wait a little and then click on top left cross button. To pin the music on your profile, click on the right side of Music 3 dots button. Then click on Pin to Profile. After this, go to your profile and refresh the page if the music is not pinned to your profile. And that's how you add music on your profile. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.